Hello everybody, so yeah, I'm back after a very long time, I know. Basically, I didn't feel like making any videos. Basically, I didn't have anything interesting in my life, though something was interesting, but during this pandemic I didn't feel like it. So what have I been doing? So I think most of my subscribers are my friends, and of course there are many people who do not know me personally. When I last made my video, I was in third year or fourth year, not fourth year, second year or third year, and so I passed BTech in 2020 at beginning of the pandemic. So I gave my last semester exams from my home, from online, and I also started working from home, though I joined my office where I got placed from my campus placements late. They called us a little late, but I joined from home, and so I started working as a software developer in a product-based company. It was a good company. It was a good paying company, and I'm saying it was because I have left that company already. So I worked there for 8 months, and while I was waiting to join for a company, I gave the GATE exam for the second time. Once I gave GATE in 2020, and while I was waiting at home at the beginning of the pandemic, I started preparing for the second time, and I gave my GATE exam for the second time in 2021. So the second time was a little bit better. It was a good rank, I would say. I mean, it was good, not very good, or it was average, I don't know. So from there I got offered to join a college for MTech. So I want at the beginning, before joining college in fourth year, I was like, I will not study further for higher studies. But after I joined office, it was okay. Office was great, but I was not feeling like working. So I was like, I need to study. So I decided to study further. So, and as I have already given the GATE exam for the second time, so I had a little bit of target of what I wanted to study, and I got that what I wanted. So I started studying for that as MTech. So I got into that college. This is the hostel of that college, and I just reached there. In fact, I have not yet gone out to the college campus yet. I have just entered, and this is the hostel for isolation hostel. So we are in isolation once we reach campus. So isolation for 2 weeks. So I am in that isolation. I have been here for a little bit of more than 1 week. I will go out of this hostel after the 2-week completion. I'm fine. So I started studying online. The classes started online. So the classes still now are online because we are in the hostel. And that is my life now. So I will be in college in this campus for 1 month for our academic interactions. After that I will go back. Then I think we will give our exams online only. So after the first semester, second semester, depending on the situation, we will come to campus full time or half for 1 month. I'm not sure that time would say. So I started MTech in sensors and IoT. So some of you know that I was interested in IoT, electronics, microcontrollers and all. In fact, the first video in this channel was it still is of a microcontroller that blink the sound graph of LEDs. And the second video was that of a line follower robot. So I have always been interested in electronics and IoT and sensors. So this is what I wanted to study. This was my first preference. So I got that. So I have started studying here. Okay, so the college in which I am is. So this is it. Let me here. What does it say? Bharatiya Pragati
प्रौद्योगिकी
Sansthan Jodhpur. So it's IIT Jodhpur.